Salty Shenanigans. Got one of the boys, Rossi, up. He's up here for a couple of days, so we've got a few days of fishing planned hopefully. It's blowing about 30 knots, so we're heading up the Cairns Inlet. Going to try and get some late afternoon jack bites, so stay tuned for that. Put a crab pot in, so we didn't film that because we're amateurs, but we'll check that later on the sub right before we go home, so hopefully I'll have a feed of crab at least to eat. Nothing. We can either take it out, we can leave it here and we'll get it again tomorrow. Then we're going to have to launch the boat in here.
I can leave it in.
Leave it in. So it's day 2, we're up at Tinaroo. Been fishing for about 2 hours, I'd say now, 2.5 maybe. Yeah, haven't hooked a thing. Seen a heap of fish on the sounder, nothing crazy. So we just realised why we couldn't book Tinaroo either. Been trying to book Tinaroo to go up later on in the week to go chase some freshwater barra. Worked out schoolies, so it's booked out all week. So that's killed the mood a bit. Back to the Cairns Inlet. We're done at Tinaroo. Ended up with that barra and a good cod, as you would have seen. Let the barra go because it's obviously close season, and kept the cod for lunch or dinner tonight. So yeah, now we're heading back. You're going into the Cairns Inlet to check the pot we put in yesterday. And hopefully we have a feed of crab. Ciao for crocodiles. Lit, so many muddies.
Oh, told you cod's no good with a head on it.
So, got a little bit of a challenge tomorrow. Went to one of our local tackle shops. We bought the pinkest rod we could find. It's a Catch a Monster by Shakespeare. Don't even know how many kilos. It reckons 4 to 10 pound line, so we're right. And we're going to see what we can catch on it. The only thing we're going to change is probably nothing. We're going to tie a leader onto this. I think it might have, I don't know what pound line, 4 pound line on it if we're lucky. And then we bought some baits on the bargain bin. So we got some squidgies, which aren't weedless. I don't know how big, I think like 3-inch. In a gold colour, and I got a 3D prawn by Savage Gear. So both of these lures are way too big for this rig, so it should be fun. We're going to do some heavy structure tomorrow, so it could be pretty lit. We've had a bit of a change of plan. We changed the sketty line. Put some line I had laying around. It's
just so we have a dying chance.
It's 45 pound, so it's well in the rods rank. And Rossi's just tying on an FG, not 2. You are using 70.
Yeah,
She's 70 pound leader. No. G'day guys, day 3. We're up at Tinaroo chasing some freshwater barra. Haven't done much freshwater fishing, so it'll be a bit of a learning day. Hopefully we can crack one and beat the 66 salty we got yesterday. That'd be good. But yeah, it should be good. So let's get it. What do you got, son? Give us a show. Yeah!
It's a barra.
Driving forwards. Good fish, good fish, good fish. That's the we saw. Good fish, dude. Come up the front if you want. Oh my god, it's huge. I'm going to drive towards this bank.
Yeah. I'll get over quick.
Good fish, dude. It's filming too. Righto. That's the one we saw in the sounder.
I'll jump out.
Yeah, you jump out. Don't worry about the electric. Oh my god, good fish. Just watch this electric, you don't hit that. Don't hit him on the boat. Oh, good work, dude. That's a monster. Oh, I wish I hooked that. Oh no, he's a buck.
Buck 7?
Look at that. Good work, dude. Upright. Oh, look at the bow wave on it. Good work, dude.
Yeah, we kept her, but she's straight.
That hook is in good nick. Wowee.